Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to take you on what was, I think, my first call today. People were complaining that it just wasn't blowing cold air. Stay tuned. Right. When I knock on doors like that, I get a little bit leery about standing right in front of it. Somebody's supposed to be home. I think I just heard someone. Knock, knock. Hey, I come see about air conditioning.
Yes.
All right, what's it been doing?
It's making a noise. I don't know what it's doing. Like it's trying to come on, but it was doing it last night and this morning.
I hear it. All right, I'm gonna have to get in your attic. All right, I've turned on the camera so y'all can hear this. Okay, so this is under warranty. This is as you see here, a 2019. It was registered, so it is under warranty. I just need to move all this stuff out of the way. All right. Common power, ground power. It looks like green on 1 and blue on 5. All right, I I gotta get those little screws in there. All right, one more screw. Come on. All right, let me get this out of here. All right, we have us a motor right here. Just got it programmed, so let's get this thing out of here and replace it. We can take it back and just plop it in. Oh, slid down. All right, so that's at the top. Terminals are right there in the middle. Short distance to take that back. Third horsepower, 2.2. Yep, same one. All right, I'm in that one. I am not in the bottom. Now I am. My light's about to go out. Okay, these are my wires. Let me see if I can get a light to shine on that. There we go. First, let's try to find our brown one. Y'all forgive me, I'm gonna try to show y'all how to wire this up. If I can get this all to work. All right. Blue goes to 5. Orange, it goes to N, which is one of my power wires. This green is my ground. It goes right there. This brown is my common. Right there. This green.
I hear something out there.
Out the window.
Oh, not you, my son.
Okay.
Something out there in the yard. Go look out the window and see what's going on.
You talking about for me?
I don't know, somebody out there in our yard. I was trying to see if there was somebody doing something.
I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.